This sweet thing named Charmin was dancing with me when up stepped her boyfriend and he hollered at me. Please don't squeeze my Charmin, don't you hold her so tight. Now you better take my warning, it's my last one tonight. She's soft and she's gentle and sweet as can be, but it's charming and squeezing, then leave that to me. It's charming and squeezing, you better leave that to me.
Oh, don't mind, we won't leave you.
All right.
Thank you all, thank you so much.
This makes me 11 years with the Big South Fork over here. Of course, I'm single, no dependents, and retired, you know, and I ain't got a whole lot to do. So, yeah, I enjoy playing music with these guys, meeting all nice people like you all. You meet a lot of nice people around these tourist attraction centers. I work with several of them around. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? Nice and cool today.
Yeah.
I've been playing a good 30 years or longer, off and on. I just picked it up myself and listened to the radio, you know, from Pop Stoneman style is what I copied. I played with different groups here and there. Good Lord bless me to see the 12th of next month. I'll be 75, 12th November. And I thank the good Lord that I'm on my feet, you know, able to stir around. A lot of people my age is not that good of health, and I'm thankful for that. I believe it's getting cold right here instead of warmer. They said warm up this evening, but it ain't going to, I don't believe. Yeah, I enjoy it. You meet a lot of nice people. I always enjoy working around these tourist attraction centers. Well, you meet some of the nicest people in the world around. Will come by here eventually, you know. Some of them comes back 2 or 3 times, and some you see one time, but they're all nice people.